This 2023 CrossRoads Redwood Redwood RW4001LK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new CrossRoads is 42 feet 10 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 4, refrigerator, awning, skylight, DVD player, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, air conditioning, TV, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, couples coach, front bath, rear bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 CrossRoads Redwood Redwood RW4001LK is 15,088 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.